Are you looking for exercises to do with your child that are going to lead to great results? Well, today I have my number one recommendation for you. So keep on watching to learn more. Hi, I'm Amy Baez, pediatric occupational therapist and founder of Playapy, and I'm here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. Today, I want to share with you my number one recommendation for a simple exercise to do with your child. It doesn't require any equipment and it has great potential for results in multiple areas. I'm going to tell you about them right now. So the recommendation is wheelbarrow walking. Wheelbarrow walking is extremely beneficial to your child. It's fast results, effective results. And I want to tell you three main reasons why. Number one is it's going to help you build strength. Okay, so your child is going to build strength here in their shoulders. And that's important because strength that builds in the shoulders leads down to the arms and into those fingertips. So building strength in your shoulders is going to help with more than gross motor skills like throwing a ball. It's really going to lead down to those everyday skills like handwriting and buttoning their clothing and tying their shoes as well. So imagine you're putting a lot of weight on your hands. That is requiring a lot of input into those joints, and it is going to help your child build strength when they are lifting up against their body weight and putting it down back and forth and back and forth. If you're doing this multiple times a week, your child is really going to get a lot of strength built. Now, if you're concerned, if you have a child who's very weak and you're concerned about their safety in this position, that is a valid concern. So you might want to start off lower to the ground. You're going to grab their ankles. Maybe you're down on your knees or sitting on the floor. Start down low, depending on how old they are. You just want to make sure that they're not just going to collapse on you. But if you see that you're confident enough that they can hold themselves up, then you're going to try to see if they can walk a bit, right? So we're going to try to gain some feet. Maybe you're starting out with just 5 feet, then 10 feet. Then 30 feet, right? I wouldn't be scared to take your child around a journey of your house and holding this position. It really, really helps a lot. All right, number two is going to be coordination. When you are in this position, you are using your right and your left side of your body alternating, right? Have a lot going on. Your body's also inverted. So your child is going to require a lot of coordination to do this type of activity smoothly. One of the things that also is really great is when they're in this position, if you have them turn their head and look to the left or to the right, if you're giving them an activity to do, or even if they're just saying hi to somebody, if they're turning their head and their arms are straight, they have to disconnect their head from the rest of their body. So if you have a child that has some retained reflexes, this is a great way for them to work on making those become more integrated. Last but not least, it's going to be sensory input. When your child is upside down, they are having that blood rush to their head, right? They're also feeling the movement of their body, and they're feeling that impact on their muscles and in their joints. And so you're getting a lot of sensory input. We've talked about that in previous videos. You're getting a lot of that sensory input in a simple activity, and it's really intense. And so it really helps them to feel regulated if they're a child who needs a lot of that. It's a great way to get a lot of it really, really quickly, and you're gonna help them to calm down or feel like they have reached their energy threshold where they're ready to attend and pay attention faster if you do an exercise like this. Okay, guys, I could go on and on and on about the benefits of this particular exercise, but I'm going to let you go so that you can go practice it. So again, don't be afraid to have your child practice this on a regular basis. It's a really fun activity for kids. Kids think it's hilarious, especially the first couple times that they're doing it. So practice it and get those benefits fast. I hope you found this video helpful. There are lots of other exercises that you can try out. There's plenty of videos for you to look at. So if you like these exercises, check out previous videos. They're going to be really super helpful to you as well. But this is my number one pick.